Hi. So I'm in Chalice Wells, Glastonbury, Avalon, and it's really, really special because we have the whole garden for ourselves. And I'm just trying to put you in a position that I can do some light language and that you can see the wells at the same time. I need to be quick because the group of beautiful priestesses is coming, and it's forbidden to actually make movies here, so I'm doing something forbidden with you. Okay, I think this is it. I think I can't do better than this. I'm trying with the stone to get you full view on the whales. Okay. Gosh. The making of. Yes. Okay, here we go. Some light language for the womb. Mary Magdalene, Jeshua, all the Magdalenes, and also all the priestesses and goddesses that are awakening today, making that connection between the heart, the womb, and the third eye center. Okay, there we go. Ima nakanasiana na ona kasi na hona. Hi. Gosh, na ona. Ha. Ha. Ayun na may sin ha. Stan kanasiana na konos. Si kanasiana na ono. Ha. Sa. Sa. Na kasha. So what was coming through for this light language is a very powerful connection in between the heart and the womb and the third eye. So the womb is containing the codes, the mysteries of creation within the womb, and only when we listen to it and really connect to it and really find that stillness and that spaciousness and silence within the womb, not only within the heart and the mind, but in the womb, we can connect these three very sacred spaces together, and creation just starts to flow through. So it's like you connect to the womb in that sense through the heart, and it becomes the creatrix. So it's like I feel it sometimes as the whole of the universe, the star system and everything, the galaxy is like being birthed in that dark, uh, in that very dark, empty, black space. Um, yeah. It's it's not easy to explain. How do you explain magic? So anyway, experience it, I would say. You can come on one of our journeys with Chloe and me, or anywhere you are. This source water is red source water, and then here on the opposite there is white source water. And so it's the white essence and the red essence, the female and the male sacred, sacred masculine, sacred feminine coming together in the tour here up. Yeah, these essences are coming together as one, as a unity in between the masculine and feminine in the tour. And so you have all these ley lines, these structures of energetic, photonic light and energy and structures that are coming together in these places, especially here, which Avalon they call the heart chakra of the world. You can feel it. If you're sensitive or highly sensitive or just a little sensitive, you can feel that there's something going on here. So anyway, I'm not here to convince you of anything, just experiment and experience it. And very happy to be here and doing this beautiful women pilgrimage, and sending you much, much, much love and light.